match walking shoes. When the hallway gave a cough and the kitchen calendar drifted off, and the mantel clock drew in a breeze, shook its hands and bent its knees. With a thunder nobody had heard, the clock sneezed purple, on my word. The clock sneezed purple at 2:45, and time fell laughing all over me. Monday became a tangerine turtle. Nothing was normal when the clock sneezed purple. Teacups floated in a row, politely asking where to go. My uncle's portrait winked at me, then changed its name to Timothy. The wallpaper began to sing, the lampshade bought a wedding ring, and from beneath the parlor chair came 17 spoons of hair. I said, good heavens, this won't do. The ceiling whispered, nor will you. The carpet rolled its eyes and said, you should have stayed upstairs in bed. The clock sneezed purple at 2:45, and time fell laughing all over me. Tuesday ran off with a nervous Myrtle. Nothing was normal when the clock sneezed purple. A bowler hat came down the stairs, reciting poems about pears. The goldfish rang the telephone and asked to be left well alone. My shoelaces discussed the rain while gravy trickled through my brain, and every time I tried to speak, a cuckoo popped out of my cheek. Tick-tock, mind the floor. Yesterday is at the door. Tick-tock, don't be late. Tomorrow's eating off my plate. The clock should sneeze once more. Well, I'll turn into kitchen drawers before it chimes. We may misplace our pantomimes. So I offered it a handkerchief made of clouds and celery leaf. It bowed its face and softly blew, then painted all the windows blue. The chimney sneezed a little green, the sofa hummed God Save the Queen, and Mother's vase, to my surprise, grew spectacles and tiny eyes. I said, dear clock, what have you done? It said, I'm only having fun. Then all the minutes formed a queue and danced a foxtrot through the flue. The clock sneezed purple at 2:45, and time fell laughing all over me. Wednesday curled up like a nervous gerbil. Nothing was normal when the clock sneezed purple. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I must advise, if your clock has cheeks and watering eyes, stand well back, remain polite, and never wind it up at night. Now every day at 2:30, the walls turn pink, the sky turns blue. The kettle sneezes, kettles do, and whistles, toodle, oodle-oo. The neighbors all pretend they're sane, but we're umbrellas in the rain, and every cat in town turns blue whenever 2:45 comes through. At 2:45, and time fell laughing all over me. Life went sideways, sweet and fertile. Nothing was normal when the clock sneezed purple. The clock sneezed purple at 2:45, and time fell laughing all over me. Monday became a tangerine turtle. Nothing was normal when the clock sneezed purple.